What is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is a molecule that holds the instructions that allow an organism to grow, survive, and reproduce. Every cell contains these instructions, which are passed down from parents to their children. What is the composition of DNA? Nucleotides are the molecules that make up DNA. A phosphate group, a sugar group, and a nitrogen base are all present in each nucleotide. Adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C, are the four forms of nitrogen bases. C. Nucleotides are linked together to form two long strands that spiral to form a double helix shape. The phosphate and sugar molecules would form the sides of the latter, while the base pairs would be the rungs. Adenine pairs with thymine, AT, on one strand, while guanine pairs with cytosine on the other, GC. This was our video today about DNA. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.